What's going on, team? Coach here with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make this for free. If you want to jump right into how I did it, go ahead and go to this time right here. Otherwise, the story goes, I'm walking around the house, I'm singing Poor Unfortunate Souls from The Little Mermaid. Poor unfortunate soul. And I tell my wife, hey, I think I hear the song go a little something like this. And she says, well, you should do it. And I said, okay. 1 week later, we have the remix. That remix is right here. I'll put the link down below. Please check it out. Most of my audience is either producers, music creatives, or just creators in general. And when we make music, we need something to attract the eyes if we're going to post it on YouTube. So what do? We make beat visualizers. We're going to head over to Visi.io. This website, it's all that it does. There's nothing else on this website. This is not paid or sponsored. The only thing Visi.io does is have templates for beat visualizers. You scroll down, find a template that you like. I found this one. Click on Open Project, and then now you can mess with the parameters of the different layers. Now, I'm no genius. I'm not great at doing this. However, I do know the basics. I tried with one, screwed up, reset it, try it again. Let's keep this in mind. These are free. Don't forget that. So I tried importing my logo in, and when I was trying to scale it up so it'll be a little bit bigger, I had trouble scaling it. It just wouldn't scale to the proper dimensions. I scratched that one, started again, and this time I said, you know what, we're gonna make this from scratch. I imported my background image, I imported my logo, I was able to scale it correctly, and then I selected from these effects here. I have this little like snowy type thing that's coming at the camera. Selected that, and that's it. I hit export. 11 minutes later, I had my beat visualizer. If you like this video, subscribe. Thanks. Peace.